Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be learning a very useful features in SQL, which is called the case statement. So think of case statement as the if-else conditional statement in programming. So for instance, here is a table of employees where we have the employee ID, we have the employee ID, we have the employee name and their words and their salary. So we are basically telling SQL, please, based on their salary, categorize this employee for me. Yes. So give me a minute. So this is the employee ID. We have the employee name and their salary. So we are telling SQL, please categorize these employees. All these employees, categorize them for me. Just put them into different categories based on their salary, right? So SQL is basically going to create a new column and SQL will categorize these employees based on their salary. So what SQL will do is it's going to name the salary underscore category, right? Category. So this is going to be salary underscore category. And for any employee that receives salary that is above or that is below 5,000, SQL will categorize such employee as low salary earner. Yes, low salary. Yes. Then anyone that is 5,000 to between 5,000 to say 8,000, SQL is going to categorize such as medium salary earner. Yes. So and anyone that is not within these two category, which is, let's say, any employee that earns above 8,000, SQL will classify that as a high salary earner. High salary. Okay, so with this being said, let's quickly go to our workbench and write some SQL. Let's go to our workbench and write some SQL. Okay, so let's quickly see what our table looks like, right? Yes. So let's select to see what our table looks like. So let's select to see that. So if we should run this, you see that we have employee ID, the name, and the salary. So let's write the basic syntax for case statement. Let's write basic syntax for case statement. So first, let's use the select keyword. With this select keyword, let's remove this and start from the beginning. Okay, so using the select keyword, we are going to select let's select the name of we want to see the name of the employee, and we equally want to see the salary. So we want to see the name column, we want to see the salary column. So let's still see now we're going to write the case logic, right? And the case statement, it starts with the case word, case. So the case starts the logic, right? It starts the logic, and it follows by when keyword. This when keyword defines the condition. So when this tells us about the condition. So when the salary is below 5,000, when salary is below 5,000, This is the condition. What will happen then? So the then tells us of the value. So if the salary, that is to say, the then tells us that, okay, if this condition is met, the value, what will happen. So then tells us the value of what will happen. Then print what? Or output low salary. So any person, any employee that is within this category will be classified as low salary earner, right? So this will be low salary. So let's write another condition, and this condition is going to be when the salary is between, when the salary is between 5,000 and 8,000, 5,000 and 8,000, then what will happen? Let's categorize such person as medium salary earner, right? Medium, this will be medium salary, medium salary. So that is that. So any employee that doesn't fall within these two category will be classified as high salary earner. So that is where the X word comes in. So we'll now use X. So instead of writing another condition like when salary, when this, when that, instead of writing any other thing again, the last category, so meaning any other employee that does not have salary below 5,000 and within 5,000 to 8,000 should be classified as high salary. So X, we will now write the words, the condition high salary. So that is that. So that is the end of the case, the case statement. But remember, all of these things, we need to query all of this from the table, right? So with that, we're going to end it with the from keyword. The from, remember, is from this table, case, this SQL underscore case. Okay, let me just lift it directly to avoid errors. I'm going to lift it directly from here. Okay, so this is basically the syntax for case statements. So simply put, this is the basic syntax for case statements. So if we should run this, let's see what we will get. Why am I having errors here? I think I should reduce this to, let me reduce, select, why am I having errors? Select name, salary, the case when salary is less than 5,000, then low salary. When salary is between 5,000 and 8,000, then medium salary. X, high salary from SQL case. So where is the error coming from? It's column. Where is this error coming from? Where is this error coming from? Okay, I think we needed to end this case statement. We needed to end the case statement. Yes, we needed to end it as, because ending it as, yes, end it as salary category. So this would be the column name category. This is where the issue was coming from. So we needed to end the case statement as salary category. So this salary category will be the name of the new column that SQL is going to generate for us. So if we should run this, so this is basically it. So if we should run this, Okay, so here we see that the table has been created, the new column has been created rather. So we have the name of the employees. They've been categorized already, their salary and the salary category. So we see that John has a salary of 3,000, and because the condition was met, so the first condition was when the salary is below 5,000. So 3,000 is below 5,000, so it's categorized as salary, as low salary, right? Yeah. Then for Mary, the condition was also met. The second condition was met, which says if the salary, when the salary is between 5,000 to 8,000, it should be categorized as medium salary. So Mary fall in that category. David has a salary of 9,000, and the condition was any salary that is so this is David, right? Yes. So any salary that is above 8,000, that is the last condition, X, it should be what? Should be classified as what? High salary, right? So that is that. James, okay, Sarah has a salary of 44,500, which is categorized as low salary, right? Yes. So that is basically it. This is how the, what's it called, the case statement works. If this video has been helpful, please do well to leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.